Good morning and welcome to my channel. First of all, I want to say welcome all my new subs here. I'm glad to have you. I really wasn't making this channel for anything, just playing around. But I enjoy hearing from each and every one of y'all. Enjoy your comments, your thumbs up, everything. Today I am making an old recipe. Well, it's not really a recipe, it's just something my mom and my grandma used to make me when I was a little child. And my mom always called it bird nest. So all you do, and this is great to make for your kids, grandchildren. It's just kind of a fun thing and I've always remembered it. All you do is take your piece of bread, an egg, a little oil or butter in your skillet. Find you something that's got a small hole in it, a little small jar or glass, whatever. I'm using a pill bottle because that's what I found this morning. Take that, cut you a hole in the bread. This is what you got. Take your bread and put it in the skillet. Crack your egg. Put the yellow right in that little hole. And when I was little, this was the favorite piece to mine. Just a little piece of bread. I put it in there too. And then you cook your egg, salt and pepper it, or pepper it and whatever you want. Let that cook. I'll put these pills back in this bottle before I clean off my counter or something and wipe them in the floor. I'm bad about doing stuff that I normally wouldn't do. This is what you have. And you flip it. Whoops, I'll set you down for a minute. Flip it over. I'm hoping to take y'all to the Goodwill today. We're going to go. I need to find a small purse for my travel trip. So hopefully we'll go if everything works out alright. Alright, and that's all you do. You've got your toast, your egg, all together. The bird nest. Very cheap, very easy. If you have children, grandkids, they'll love it. Please like, subscribe, and I'll take y'all on a Goodwill run here in a little bit. Thank you for stopping by.